English Evolution Step 1. Welcome to improve your English speaking skills. How is your English level? Number 1. How to improve your English. Hey, Sarah, how are you?
Hello, Nick. I'm fine.
How is your English practice going?
It's not easy, Nick.
Yes, I know, English is difficult.
But I'm making progress.
Don't care about mistakes.
Thanks. How about you?
Same here. I have been practicing with friends.
That's a great idea.
Do you have any favorite movies?
Definitely. Finding Nemo is fun.
With subtitles or without?
Yes, and the dialogues are clear.
Good, I will check it out.
By the way, any tips for improving speaking skills?
Sure, try talking to yourself in English.
Is that possible then?
It sounds weird, but it works.
I will give it a shot. Thanks.
It's so nice to catch up over coffee.
Thanks. I am so proud of you.
Me too, Sarah. Anyway, how's life?
Nick, it's been busy but good.
Yeah, it's lovely to hear that.
How about you? Any exciting news?
Well, I finally start that English course we talked about.
Wow! How does it work?
Learning new phrases every day.
Can you recommend any good language apps?
I've been using Speakyasy.
Is it easy to use? And how is it?
It's user-friendly and has great exercises.
Thanks again. I will try that one.
Awesome! And speaking of coffee,
What's your go-to order here?
I'm a latte person, extra foam. How about you?
Espresso for me, short and strong.
And those pastries look tempting.
Shall we share a chocolate croissant?
Yes, because it's our tradition.
Absolutely! Let's promise to practice English more often.
Number 2. At home. What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I wake up around 7 o'clock a.m.
Do you have any household chores?
Yes, I help with dishes and take out the trash.
What's your favorite room in your house?
I love my cozy bedroom.
How do you get to school?
I walk or take the bus.
What's your favorite place in your neighborhood?
The park. I enjoy playing soccer there.
Do you have any street safety rules?
Yes, always look both ways before crossing.
What do you do after school?
I do homework and then play with friends.
What's your favorite after-school snack?
I love peanut butter sandwiches.
How much time do you spend on the screens?
About an hour for games and videos.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What books do you like to read?
Adventure stories are my favorite.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. and practice your English every day. Thank you. Bye.